This is doesn't written. This is a second part of something. Should this is Urana graffiti design Hideyoshi. मैं सुना क्यों लग रहा है that name. Drawing near looking. See, nice. This is little bit Japanese plus American style. Like frames छोटे हैं, कट रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं, but looks nice. What I like. Just go. Good design. Little bit like there's an American hint you can understand. See, the art style की बात कर रहा हूँ, but the print quality is nice. Definite. Want to read. Good though, like good. The Japanese is ठीक है. This is also nice. Definite buy. Recommended. This